this tutorial, we're going to discuss the ODK platform and also introduce KoboToolbox. KoboToolbox is built on the ODK platform. What is ODK? ODK, also known as the Open Data Kit, is an open source platform of tools which organizations and individuals use to collect, analyze, and manage data. So this platform has an active community and is also consistently improved. So ODK has been designed to cater for projects for resource-constrained environment. And ODK has three platforms in its ecosystem. So first of all is the collect platform, where now allows you to collect the data. Then also we have the aggregate, which is now the server, which will enable you, the server component, and it's just to enable you to manage the forms and the data that has been collected using the collect platforms. Also now we add the third platform, which is now the ODK build. And here the ODK build is a web-based form designer tool that simplifies the processes without creating forms without requiring programming skills. Here we shall be seeing where we'll be building the forms using a web version and also later using an XML or an XLS platform. ODK in itself has 4 customized platforms, and each of them cater for different functionalities and design. However, despite the 4 platforms, the baseline or the underlying syntax or structure is similar. So once you have a familiarity on one, it's easy to build on or to move to the other one. So we have KoboToolbox, Survey CTO, Honor, and also ComCare. So we have a comparison of all of this, or not, rather than a description of all of this, not a comparison. And Survey CTO is fully commercialized version of ODK, and it's really user-friendly and offers a lot of interactivity. We also have ComCare, which is mostly in healthcare, and hospitals have used this. It has advanced features such as case management and longitudinal data analysis, which really enables ease of data collection. Also, we have the other one, which is honor.io, which is also a really good platform of ODK, and it offers features similar to ComCare and Survey CTO, which includes things like longitudinal data collection, form management, and also project management. What we're going to focus on is KoboToolbox, as we introduced in the introductory video. And KoboToolbox has the same integration, where we have the collect, we have the build, and we also have the server. And KoboToolbox exists in 2 versions, the EU version server and also the KF server, or the humanitarian, which is hosted in the US. The difference between these two, for the EU version, it's hosted in the EU, and therefore that's, as you know, EU has strong data protection policies such as the GDPR. Therefore can be in alignment with majority of the country's rules. Also, in terms of the formality, all of them offer the same functionality. So it's also the underlying structure is similar. So for the rest of this segment, we are going to use the EU version. However, the forms that we build, the XLS version can be uploaded on the KF version. So in the next video, we are going to see how we open an account and just describe the platform in the EU KoboToolbox platform. Thank you, and see you there.